Kanina ko pa tinitinig.
Away mo, pre.
Sinasabi ni Chef na spinach, narinig ko sa inyo local. Yung naalala nga nung iba nakan pa yun
Yes po.
Ano yung ingredients ng shrimp oil?
Soy oil.
I think naman. So ano yung tatlong gagawin natin? Pag-wash ng shrimp, marination, tsaka yung actual baking. So punta muna tayo sa mag-wash ng shrimp. So darating sa inyo 20 grams ng potato starch and 5 grams ng salt. So ito yung isang batch niya. Pero gumawa ko ng 2 batch kasi guys, huwag niyo itong i-skip ha. Kasi meron tong purpose. Hindi siya basta i-marinate. So yan.
20 grams para yung mga matitira sa packaging is hindi na mag-use. Okay? Now guys remind ko lang, yung ginagawa po ni Chef Joey.
Make sure lang, lubog na siya. Yun, punta tayo sa tanong ng Chef Pao. Anong slurry? 60 grams ng slurry. Then 30 ml ng vegetable oil. Tapos, mix lang natin konti.
Hello, Ma'am G. Kat. Ma'am Kat. Oh. Ay, ano yan?
Dito, wala kaming ganito eh.
Kala ko ano yan? Kala ko lalagay sa mukha. Ma'am Jenny Celes, ito po. Papakopya mamaya sa exam ha.
Alam mo mapasok sa utak ko.
Boss, pakopya sa
Boss, kayo
exam.
ng avatar. Or Nash. Okay naman siya. Ito yung bida.
Oh. Makinig kayo pag-i-exam. Si Pinuno, oh. Hey, boss. Morning, boss.
Morning.
Aga ba, boss, ah?
Kasi aga ko nagising.
Ayun! Dati 12 o'clock sa'yo, boss, eh. Ano oras na? Wala pa, aga. Masyado ang maaga.
Tinapay natin.
Wala naisip.
Picture ba? Picture?
May na-hype tayo akong architect.
Kailangan namin dati.
Pancake.
Naurasan nyo kung gaano siya katagal.
Bilis na po na. Sini.
Yung kasi, now chef trip niya, guys, as much as possible kasi, no contact no. So alam niyo naman kung kailan kayo mag-stop ng ano eh, ng gawa.
Pinapatong na. Medyo malakas yung apoy. Then hindi siya dry. Then may konti siya.
Me, I'd rather disappear than be lifeless like the sea. Voices make your mind their home. Once they're in, they're never gone. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it. When you feel like a burden, let somebody from them. I have tried to run, tried to run, tried to run. Look away, don't look at me. I'm not who I thought I'd be. Yes, I know that it's enough. Still I fight in self-destruct. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it.
Marisol na.
When you feel
Wala
like
kasi
a burden, let somebody take it. All my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone. And from them I have tried to run, tried to run, tried to run.
Chef Joey, may tanong daw. Sige na, send mo na.
It was never that far away. Are we different or still the same?
Pinupokus mo rope eh. Wala daw, sir.
It was never that far away. I was never that far away. All my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone. And from them I have tried to run, tried to run, tried to run. All my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone. And from them I have tried to run,
Inisip ko yung mga sagutan ko pero sarap siya.
tried to run.
Sabi ko sa kakaiba pero masarap.
Nagtaga mo lang yung kakaiba yung sinabi ko masarap eh.
Tsaka nakakailang ulit na kami. Oh.